Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to Eureka class. Today is Tuesday, March 9, 2021, and today is the last lesson we're completing for Module 6. Tomorrow we will review, and we will have our test on Thursday. Remember, our big goal is to score a 100 in a module. And our daily goal is to score an 85 or higher in your exit tickets. You need no materials for the video. You need a Peer Deck link for the live class, and you will complete your homework in a Peer Deck link as well. Let's talk about the important concept that we're covering today. We've been practicing for the past couple of days what an even number is and what an odd number is. Remember, in an even number, everyone has a partner, and even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And odd, not everyone has a partner, and the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Remember what we learned yesterday? You look in the ones place to tell if the number is even or odd. The other concept that we're talking and learning about today is an array. And remembered, an array is a group of objects set in equal rows and columns that form a rectangle or a square. So here are the steps that we're going to follow to be successful today. Number 1, you make an array with the given numbers. So here's my array. They told me 2 groups of 4. Then we identify the total if it's even or odd. So I write the repeated addition, and I know 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 8. So 8 is an even number, boys and girls. Our objective for today, I can use rectangular arrays. So we're going to make arrays to investigate either even numbers or even or odd numbers. Let's start. Okay, boys and girls, so we are going to figure out what happens when we add 2 even numbers together. So the first partner, which still is going to be me, I make 2 rows, row 1, row 2 of 3. The other person makes 2 rows of 4, row 1, row 2, and each one has 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's think about it. How many tiles are on this array? Yes, 6 tiles. Is the number 6 even or odd? Yes, even. Now let's look over here. How many tiles are on this array? Yes, 8 tiles. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is the number 8 even or odd? Yes, even. Well, let's see what happens when we add 2 even numbers together. Ready? I already put the 2 arrays together. Now, how many tiles are there all together? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 14 tiles. Is the number 14 even or odd? Yes, it's even, and we can see that it's even because all the tiles have partners. So listen, boys and girls, when we add an even number with another even number, we get an even number. So I'm going to ask you, when we add an even number and an even number, do we get an even number or an odd number? Yes, an even number. Now, boys and girls, we're going to see what happens when we add an even and an odd number. So here's the first array. 2 rows, row 1, row 2, 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, the other partner makes 2 rows of 3, which is row 1, row 2, and then we add one more tile to the top row. Let's look at the first array. Is the number 6 even or odd? Yes, even. Look at this. Everyone has a partner. Let's look at the second array, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 7 tiles. Is the number 7 even or odd? Yes, it's odd. So we're going to put them together as we did before and see how many tiles we have all together. Let's see, how many tiles do we have all together? Yes, 13 tiles, boys and girls. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is the number 13 even or odd? Yes, odd. How do you know it's odd? Yes, boys and girls, look. There's a tile that doesn't have a partner, right? Great thinking. Now, let's see what happens when we add an odd number with an odd number. So, first, I'm going to make 2 rows of 3 and then add 1 to the top. And then I'm going to make 2 rows of 4 and add 1 more tile to the bottom left. Let's see. So here's the first array, boys and girls. 2 rows of 3. Then I add in 1 more to the top. And the other one, it shows 2 rows of 4. And I added 1 more tile to the bottom. Well, let's see. Let's look at the first array. Let's see how many tiles are there in total. Is the number 7 even or odd? Yes, odd. Is the number 9 even or odd? Yes, odd. I'm going to put the 2 arrays together. And connect the arrays. So what do you have, boys and girls? How many rows? Yes, 2 rows. How many tiles are in each row? Yes, 8. And how many tiles is that? Yes, 16. Is 16 even or odd? Yes, boys and girls, and it's even, and we can still see it here in the picture, and you can see that every tile has a partner. Okay, boys and girls, now that we finished figuring out what to do, we are gonna fill out this chart. What do we get when we add an even number and an even number? Get ready. Yes, it was an even number. What do we get when we add an even number and an odd number? Yes, an odd number. Now, let's see if this is true when we're adding larger numbers. So, it's the number 10, and even or odd? Yes, even. Is the number 12 even or odd? Yes, even. So what is 10 plus 12? Yes, it's 22. So, is 22 an even or an odd? Yes, it's eating. I'm sorry, it's even, boys and girls. I'm sorry. We look in the ones place and you see there's an even number. Now, I'm going to do 22 because we already know it's even plus an odd number. An odd number is the number 3. 22 plus 3 is 25. I look in the ones place and it's 5 an even or an odd? Yes, an odd numbered. And now let's figure it out. If we have an odd number and an odd number, what does it give us? An odd number, the number 21, is an odd number. And the number 5, it's an odd number. If I add the number 21 plus 5, that gives me 26. Is the number 26 even or odd? Yes, it's even, boys and girls. Oops. When we have an odd number and an odd number together, and we have an odd number and we put another odd number together, we end up with a even number, boys and girls. We will continue practicing finding if an array ends up with an even number or an odd number based on the total number of tiles in the live class. Thank you for your hard work and we'll see you later. Bye.